This is a review of the, well, it's just a Lugar airsoft gun. It's spring action. Costs 17 bucks. It can shoot up to 175, 180 feet per second. It is very heavy. It's made out of metal. All of it's metal besides the wood part right here. It's very, very powerful. I do recommend it. It's called the G.12. It's a very good airsoft rifle. This is the box it came in, just a little everything. It does come with a extend mag. That's the extend mag. It's a lot larger than the normal mag, which is right here in my pocket. That's the normal mag. It holds 4 BBs or airsoft bullets. This holds 10 to 11. It's very good weight. Whenever I shoot it, it's very, very accurate. It is really well priced. $17 is great. I do recommend to buy it.